Be beautiful. Moisturizing your skin. This is the fourth part of our skin-friendly habits series. The purpose of this video is to share the essential steps and also plenty of tips and tricks that will help you keep your skin and your life as beautiful as possible. Even if you already know some of these things, these videos can hopefully act as a friendly and gentle reminder to take care of yourself. As with many other things, consistency is the key. The key to having healthy, fresh, and youthful skin is making sure it is sufficiently moisturized. 4 reasons why moisturizing is so important. 1. It prevents wrinkles. Properly moisturized skin looks more plump and youthful. Chronic moisture deficiency can eventually significantly reduce collagen production. And collagen is the main reason younger skin looks the way it does, smooth and vibrant. Some wrinkles are of course inevitable, but properly hydrated and moisturized skin can actually hide the wrinkles we already have and prevents fine lines from showing more than they need to. 2. It makes your skin look healthier and more radiant. Moisturizers help you keep your skin hydrated. Its main role is usually not to actually provide more moisture to your face, but rather to retain the moisture that is already there. Moisturized and hydrated skin looks and feels plump and firm and gives you a wonderfully fresh glow. And if you wear makeup, the application is 10 times more flawless and less flaky if you moisturize beforehand. 3. It prevents skin issues. Excessive sebum is an issue for many people and it can cause a lot of trouble. But dry skin is the same thing, just on the other side of the spectrum. Dry skin, as uncomfortable as it can be, is in of itself isn't a huge medical issue. Unless it's so bad that it leads to cracks and even bleeding, in that case, it can cause serious infections. Your moisturizer and other moisturizing and hydrating products such as masks and mist make sure your skin isn't dry and can prevent eczema, blemishes, flaky skin, and in some cases even acne. It also reinforces your skin's natural strength and protects it from environmental factors, especially if it contains additional protective and nourishing ingredients such as SPF, vitamins, and antioxidants. Even if your skin is on the oily side, you should use a quality moisturizing product. It will keep your skin balanced regardless if it's dry or oily. Sometimes, as counterintuitive as it sounds, dehydrated skin can actually cause overproduction of oil because it's just trying to compensate. 4. It makes your skin feel better. Dry, itchy, and sensitive skin can be an incredibly frustrating issue. It can be uncomfortable and even painful. If your skin is incredibly demanding, a visit to a dermatologist might be a good idea. But for most of us, healthy skin is properly moisturized skin. It might seem counterproductive, but even oily skin should be moisturized, especially if you use harsh topical treatments for acne or other issues. Moisturizing products are one of the most important parts of skincare, and it especially pays off to be consistent and try to use it on a daily basis. Thank you for watching. Be beautiful.